guys, it's Bluefishy. Hey Bluefishies. Right now I am going to be showing you how to do an after eating routine. So first you want to brush your hair if you got out of the swimming pool. Okay. You want to brush it really deep. There we go. Mine wasn't really that bad. Alright, and then you want to use a clean and clear, which you already did. What is that? Okay. Don't get it by your eyes because it will burn and it will not feel good at all. And if you have any bites or anything, do not put it right there. It will hurt, trust me. I did it before. Okay, you want to wait about 5 to 15 minutes. Okay, then. You want to get a wet rag or towel, and you want to do it like this. Make sure all of it is gone. Okay, you want to feel if there's any. Okay, and you want to pat dry. You really have to pat dry, but you can if you want. Okay. And just for safeties, since you were eating food, you just want to brush your teeth, honey. So, okay, so what I use, you don't have to use it. I'm using Crest White 3D White. Crest 3D White. Okay, you just want to brush your teeth. Look at my toothbrush, it's so cute.
Hey guys, today I'm going to do, after you get out of the shower routine, first you're going to want to brush your hair.
It's not even on.
Hey guys, today I'm going to do, after you get out of the shower routine,
Oh, never mind.
first you're going to want to brush your hair.
I thought it was on.
It did stop, because I don't think I have enough
Okay.
storage. It's in terms of
Don't want to get rotten teeth. If you want to eat after you brush your teeth, and you can eat all you want and wait at night to brush it. Whoa. I see it.
oh.
Okay. Alright, so maybe I did scrub a little too hard. If you're bleeding, really, really bad like I am, you can go ahead, keep on spitting until you see regular spit. Alright, that's okay. I'm done right now. I'm done brushing my teeth. Next, you want to floss some Reach. I use Reach Mint Max. I mean, Mint Wax. Mint Max, whatever. Okay, and floss it. Because sometimes your toothbrushes won't get everything. They won't do all the jobs.